Good morning, sir!
Ngayon ay meron akong inihandang mga output dito. Meron tayong heart, merong fist bump, at saka merong shake hand. Pipili kayo dito ng isa bago kayo pumasok. Okay mga bata, ready na ba kayo?
Opo!
Tayo na at magsimula.
Bilang isang guro ay dapat na maging mabuting ehemplo tayo sa ating mga estudyante na kung saan sila ay papasok sa silid-aralan ng masaya at may bahid ng inspirasyon. At bilang isang guro, ang pagiging mahusay, mabuti at mapanagutan sa Diyos ang dapat nating pagyamanin.
Natuloy ng tayong bilang isang guro, then I must say, the foundation of teaching comes from myself. Being a professional must undergo ethical and moral action, interviewing to discover the student's learning.
In the theory of James Franklin, James Franklin described the use of a James as defined by the Bedwell taxon. Outside the topic of a James, with the purpose of affecting learning-related behaviors by others, by strengthening the relationship between instructional design quality and outcome.
Kaya dapat, bilang guro, tayo ay maging creative sa pagtuturo sa ating mga mag-aaral upang sa gayon ay mag-improve hindi lamang ang kanilang mga kilos, bagkus ang kanilang pag-uugali at panunod.
Nothing is much more important than to be a good role model. The good outcome comes with the great work. If we will be a good teacher to the children, we must teach them with care, make them with faith, and love them as our children.